Hi everyone. So our today's topic is your passion in life. When you have a passion to chase in your life, it's a wonderful motivator that can lead to personal fulfillment and success, encouraging you to pursue your dreams and inspiration with enthusiasm. So why passion matters? Passion always gives you some purpose and direction. So passion provides a sense of purpose and direction, helping you navigate the life challenges and stay motivated. Passion always gives you feeling of fulfillment and joy. Pursuing your passion can bring immense joy and satisfaction, making your life more meaningful. Passion always encourages you for growth and learning. Engaging with your passion allows for continuous learning and personal growth, expanding your horizon. Resilience. Passion can help overcome obstacles, setbacks, fostering resilience and determination. Creativity and innovation. Passion can also make you more creative and inspire innovative thinking, leading to new ideas and solutions. So, how to find and pursue your passion? Self reflection. Take time to reflect on your interests, your values, your strength to identify your potential passions. Experimentation. Try new things, explore different areas to discover what truly excites you. Persistent. Don't give up easily. Persistence and dedication are crucial for achieving your goal. Always set goals in life. Once you identified your passion, set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound SMART goal to guide your pursuit. Seek support. Surround yourself with the people who believe in you and can provide encouragement and support. Always embrace the challenge. View challenge as an opportunity for growth and learning, and don't be afraid to take the risk in your life. So why it is important to follow your passion in your life? When you follow your passion, you are more likely to go through the challenges, stay motivated, and find creative solutions to the problem. Passion fuels your drive and keeps you engaged, making your journey enjoyable and rewarding. So, what is my passion in life? Finding your passion or dream involve a mix of self-reflection, exploration, and an open mindset. Start reflecting on what excites you, what topics or activities sparks a genuine interest. Engage in different experiences, meet new people, and step outside your comfort zone to explore the unknown. So, is passion the key to life? Passion gives you a purpose in life. However, passionate people are more happier than ordinary individuals. Without enthusiasm, there is no love, energy, excitement, and there is no life. So, how to find your passion? The first thing which you can do is you need to look for the high points in your day. You need to pay attention to from where you spend more time and money. Consider a topic you love to teach or talk about with others. Think about your strengths. Examine the detail. Explore the career path. So, how do I find my purpose in life? Finding your purpose with self reflection, asking yourself a hard question about what you love and what you are passionate about and what brings you fulfillment. It involves exploring different paths, trying new things, and stepping out of your comfort zone to find honest answers from within. So, passion is energy. If you feel that there is something out there that you are supposed to be doing, if you have passion for it, then stop wishing and just do it. Thank you so much everyone. So we will come up with some new topic in the next video.